Hi, this is Keturah with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be going over how you can use IPEN on the BlueNotary platform. So what is IPEN? IPEN is In-Person Electronic Notarization, and this is kind of a hybrid of what we're used to when we're actually signing things in person with our signers. But instead of signing on a piece of paper, we're signing an electronic document. And this can be done on a laptop or on an iPad. And for today, I'm going to be using my iPad to show you how you can create a session and what to do when you're doing an IPEN session in person with a signer. So here we're on our BlueNotary platform, and we're going to go here to the hamburger menu, and we're going to go to New Session. And then we're going to click In-Person Notarization. Now here we want to upload our document as usual, and we can do this from a template. And I'm going to choose, let's say, this New York City POA, and I'm going to press Save. So my document has been added, and then what I'm going to do is find a signer, and I'm going to use one of my signers that I've used before. I'm going to select Jane as the primary signer and press Link Signers. So now that Jane has been added and she's going to be going through KBA, I'm just going to go down here and press Send Invitation. And this will create the IPEN session. Now, again, as I said, this is going to be happening in person. So I'm going to be bringing my iPad to the session to let Jane sign this electronic document. So here I'm going to go to Join the Session, and we have to give permissions for the camera and the microphone, and I'm going to allow. Now, since I'm going to be with Jane in person, I'm going to start the video, so this will be recorded. And here is our session video. Hi. So here, now I'm going to hand the iPad to Jane and let her start the authentication. So I'm going to press here, and she's going to go through KBA here on the iPad. And once KBA is complete, now we can begin the session. Okay, as we're going through this signing, we're going to have our toolbox, our documents, we have chat, we have AI, we have our call script if we need it during this IPEN session. Here we can scroll down, we can fill in information. Here is the primary signer signature, which is Jane. And here is my information down at the bottom as the notary. Here is an important point. As we're going through this, we want to make sure that the right person is signing at the right time. So here I'm going to go to this 3 dots here, and I'm going to scroll down to Change Signer. And I want to go to this signer. So now Jane can go here and draw a signature. So this, I'm just pretending to be the signer and adopting the signature. Now when it's my turn to sign as the notary, I can go here again, and I can go to Change Signer again to me as the notary. And then I can sign as well. And of course, we're just testing now. We want to make sure this document is filled out completely and we complete the notarization in accordance with our state guidelines and regulations for IPEN. And once everything is done as usual, we can always go here and complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're ready to bring your notarizations online, visit BlueNotary.us today.